Hey all, Greg from Clearwater 124. The madness has begun. I'm going to tear it apart. Starting on it tonight. The back straight over there is going to be raised. I don't know how long. Maybe the whole thing. I don't know yet. The pit lane, which you see over there behind Pegasus and the Esso sign, is coming over here somewhere on the front stretch, I think. We'll see. This will be my fifth layout. I'm really too old to be climbing up and down on this table, but I'm going to do it again. The big sweeper is going to stay because it's fun to drive. It's a big, wide, fast turn. It may tighten up here coming out of it and go back over this way into some S's, possibly under the edge, maybe under the front straight over there, which will be elevated. So it's a lot of work. I've got to remove these metal barriers that I have. I got one there, one over there, two along pit lane, one here. So those are screwed down. I got to unscrew them. And then while I'm doing this, I'm going to do some track painting also. So this isn't going to be an overnight thing. It's going to take quite a while. But anyway, that's the plan. What's going on tonight. And I've started my next build. That's a 40 Ford sedan delivery. I laid the paint down. I started last night and I finished it up this morning. The 40 sedan delivery. So that'll be fun. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave you. Maybe I'll put you up here and leave you on for a while. All I'm going to be doing is taking stuff off the track and walking back and forth. I don't know if that's too exciting. So, yeah, I'm going to shut you off. If you think you want to watch me walk back and forth and remove shit and put shit together, put something down in the comments and maybe I'll leave it on next time I'm working on the track. All right. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.